How to delete Line account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Line account. To do so, first of all, open your Line application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top right, you'll be able to see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and by doing so, you'll be taken to the settings menu. Here, look for account option under personal information section. Once you locate it, tap on it to open it. And here, once you reach to this page, and at the very bottom, you'll be able to locate the option delete account. Now, simply tap on this delete account and then a pop-up will appear. Here it says you will need to confirm your deletion by tapping on this next button. Also, you'll not be able to log into the same account after deleting this account. If you are sure to do that, then tap on this next option right here and then you will be taken to this page. Now once you reach to this page, you will need to scroll a bit down and tap on this checkbox that says I understand that all the items will be permanently deleted. After that, you will need to again scroll down. Here check all the circles and then tap on this delete account. Now again a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to tap on this delete option in order to completely delete your Line account. Once it has been deleted, you will come back to the home page of your mobile device, which means your account has been successfully deleted. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Line account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.